Hello guys, welcome to the another video. In this video, I will tell you how can you write a program to input total marks of a student and print its grade accordingly. So here we have a hint. If marks are 90 to 100, print A plus. If 80 to 89, print A, and so on. So first we have to take the input of marks. So first I will declare a variable name called marks, in which I will take input of marks. So marks are of integer type, so I will write here int, and then we have to take input, so I will write here input, and then enter marks of a student. Now we have to check condition. If marks are equals to 90 or greater than 90 but less than equal to 100, we have to print A. So I will write here if marks equals to 90 and marks less than equals to 100, greater than equals to 90 and less than equals to 100, print here grade equals to A. Now we have to apply another condition. So I will write here elif marks are greater than equals to 80 and marks less than equals to 89. Print grade equals to here we have to write A plus, and then here we have to write A. So I am fast forwarding the video. I will write all the conditions and will meet you at the end. So here are all the conditions. At the end, I will write here else. If none of the condition is true, it will write print D. So it will write grade equals to D. So now I am going to run the program. So here the terminal is asking for enter marks of a student. So first I will write 91. So here you can see grade equals to A plus. Now I will again run the program, and then I will write marks, let us say 78. So here you can see the grade equals to B. Now again I will run and then write, let us say 33. So grade equals to D. So our program is running well. So this is how you can write a program in Python which will take input of marks of a student and print its grade accordingly. So thanks for watching.